guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. But before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like dollhouses, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and more recently, he started doing bilingual live streams with yours truly. So they're in English and Spanish. So there's no reason why any of you guys should miss out. Make sure to go on over and subscribe to his channel. I will have the links not only down in the description below, but in the ink cards as well. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. And well, guys, we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it is time to check out the brand new magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Alright guys, so up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is none other than the number 37 in this collection. If you would like to see the previous 36, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards. And guys, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. And well guys, with that being said, let's open this up. And guys, of course, if you're interested in seeing the Marvel figures, which I just said, you can find the playlist in my channel. Here it says, pink bedroom with flowers. So this is one of the rooms that are in the dollhouse. You can see there the little bear that we got already, if I remember right, with a cute little hat there, a dress, some cute little doll shoes there, another little bear, you can see all the pieces of the pink room there, even a small little dollhouse there. How cute. A dollhouse inside the dollhouse. Here it talks a bit more about it. Here it tells you piece by piece. And how cute the little butterfly thing there. And here it teaches you how to make a drapery for over the cradle. It tells you all of the things that you're going to need and shows you them there. But guys, as I say, in all of the numbers of this collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will, in the end, build the dollhouse together. And I'm really looking forward to that. I don't know about you guys, you tell me down in the comments below. Are you excited? I'm pretty excited about it. And that's how it will look once you finish. And here it says, like baby carriage. And it says that the first baby carriages were actually made in the United States, where I'm from. How crazy is that? I had no idea. They did look really cool though. That's really neat. And here it talks a bit more. There's a wicker version. Like a black wicker version. Here it gives a little biography of Thomas Burberry. He created Burberry and Sons, which is still around today. And well guys, that's the end of that. I'm just gonna flip this over. And well guys, now it's time to unbox our brand new addition to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have our new little shelf out of the box, and now it's time for an up close look at it. I'm just gonna pick it up here, and there it is. It looks really cool. What do you think, honey?
I like it.
I like how detailed it is, like in this little banister here.
Yeah.
And the siding. You can see it there, honey?
Yeah. Even being small, it very detailed.
Yeah. That's what I love about this collection, is that it's very detailed down to the littlest thing.
And you think it's wood or it's plastic?
It's Frankenwood. I'm pretty sure it's a mixture of wood and plastic.
But it looks very realistic.
Yeah, and it smells really good.
It smells like what?
It smells like wood.
Like what?
Yeah.
Not plastic?
No. The back is flat, so you can later we can glue it into the dollhouse like that.
It goes glued?
For what I understand, yes.
Show the back now to the light so I show it.
Yeah. But nonetheless, it's still painted very nicely, which is nice. I don't know. They could have skimped on that.
But I don't think it's going to go lower, you think?
I really am not sure.
I guess it will go against the wall or something, but I don't think it will go lower. But I don't know.
But I mean, to have it on the wall hanging.
I hangs from the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well guys, tell me down in the comments below, what do you think about this cute little shelf? We both really like it. Tell us what you think down in the comments below. And well, I'm gonna put it down here on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. And as I said before, he started again doing bilingual live streams, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to his channel and hit the bell over there as well. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.